Still in the whip, bitch, you know I ain't dissing this. Bitch, you know I ain't dissing this. I listen it, bitch, I listen it. I'm sleeping nights.
Yo, what's going on everyone? Today finna show you how I can make fake mink type of beats, more specifically hook trap, jerk wipes. So without any further, let's get right into it. So I made this beat way before. This beat got like 100k on YouTube. Yeah, 100k flat. And I was making jerk like hook trap sample type of beats, and one guy like asked me to make a beat on the sample of Superman. I unfortunately fucking lost the stems, but this sample is really like without any drums. This is just melody and vocals. This sample crazy as fuck. This is the visuals behind it. I'm like, the song is heavy though, but basically what I did is it was like 8-minute sample, and I just took the best parts I fuck with, and that's it. And I threw just the suits on it and reverb. So yeah, as you can see, the project not looking that complicated, and this is how you should do, you feel me, your beats. Just pick the sample and just pick the right sounds, and that's it. So let me show you real quick. So this is how it starts. I added this like police, ambulance, I don't know, this like texture, so I won't get copyrighted. Like, you feel me, I thought this beat really will fit the fake mink type of sound because it's like jerk, and it's also a nostalgic, this like older, if you mean, as you can see, older sample, older sound. And fake mink basically in each of his beats just uses these nostalgic samples. So yeah, you can make them your own samples, but I'm just showing you the one on a sample, and that you can take these type of samples, these crazy samples, and don't be afraid of them, and just make a beat on it. So this is the first sound I added, this snare. Just like the most regular fucking snare. I remember making this beat, I was so like, I thought this shit is so like trash, because it was like late night, my head was like fucked up. But then I kind of like listened to it again in a couple of weeks, and then this shit started getting views. So I'm like, yeah, this shit low key hard. And so this is the pattern right here, how you can make it. You can just let me just show. Bam, 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 and just repeat the fuck out of it, and that's it. This is the most like regular hip hop bounce. Then I layer snare with the bass. Just layered it, just like that. Then I did this clap. Then that's it, like just in between. And she got 100k. By the way, he's like little complication in this beat. So a sidechain like this, sidechain to this track from 808 to the sample, and I put Sus on it with the sidechain mode on, and I pick the sound right here. Just follow my steps. Pick the sound right here. So when the bass plays, it does the exact same frequencies is needed to not like clash with the melody. You know what I'm saying? Copy this shit, all these like settings, and do like sidechain on it, and choose the sidechain here after you did that, and save this preset so you won't do this shit over and over again. So then what I could do else on this beat, I maybe like throw this like limiter, if you want this like distortion effect like fake mink does. You can even like go even crazier and put the sidechain on the whole, like on the whole master. So you put like limiter on the whole master. Boom. You pick, you go to compression, you go here. So it's my bass is like then 10, and you do some shit like this, like, and turn this off. Hold on. This shit you feel like crazy, man. But as you can see, if you take the loudness measurer So without this effect, it's gonna go pretty much without the compression. Like -14 is the norm, so this is just perfect shit. But if you place this lump limiter shit, how much is gonna 3 dB? It's not crazy, you know, because you can reach this effect if you like boost the bass with the same kind of effect. See? Yeah, it's like it's fire though, but you can find the balance between boosting it here and on limiter. So you feel me? Find the balance with them knobs and you good. Also, what you can do to sauce it up a little, you can throw this like God particle plug. Makes it louder. Then like this is a sauce. It makes it louder, but without crazy affecting loves crazy, you know. Also, you can throw this like God particle on the bass too, just like that. Boost the lows. Oh, this shit gonna be loud. But experiment, you know, experiment with this shit. If you don't give a fuck about YouTube, you can do this. You can do this, Angola. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. To sum it up, just pick the nostalgic samples or make it yourself. Good sound selection, by the way. All the sounds are from Aura kit, Aura 2 kit. So you go to free kits, this Aura 2, boom. You can rotate some money around here, and then add to bag. You know, check out, fill up your information. You can download directly from here. You feel me? So hey bro, that was it for today. Appreciate you for watching. It was like a little short one, but I'm just showing you that you don't gotta like overdo shit. You don't gotta overdo shit. Just pa 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 pa. Boom, that's it. That's the rhythm. You're going. Sometimes silence is the most important thing. If somebody said silence is music, think about the shit. You gotta have them pockets to rap on. I be grinding here every day. If you're not started like talking to y'all on stream, I bought me a second monitor so I can check the chat. Y'all already got me 250 subs. I finna push more shorts. I got a little matter on me. I'ma get this channel to 1K fast. Trust me. And I'm grateful as fuck for your support, y'all likes, y'all comments. Let's get the channel to 1K fast. Also join my Telegram for samples and join our Discord. I'm out.